Hello and welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru. I'm Clara, and today we are diving deep into the movements of the palm oil market as we analyze the midday close for Friday, December 5th. The midday rebound. After 2 sessions of decline, Malaysian palm oil futures have significantly strengthened at midday, showcasing a solid recovery on the Bursa Malaysia derivatives. This uplift is primarily fueled by a constructive environment in global vegetable oil markets and a favorable backdrop in crude oil prices. This positive momentum now places the market on course for its second straight weekly gain. Focusing on the numbers, the benchmark February 2026 contract was last trading higher at 4,141 ringgit, climbing 36 ringgit from Thursday's close. This firmness was evident across the entire curve, with the January and March 2026 contracts also posting similar gains. Strength from rival markets. The global complex of edible oils is providing a strong foundation for this rally. On the Chicago Board of Trade, soy edged up to trade around 51.85 cents per pound. In Asia, the positive sentiment was even more pronounced, with China's Dalian Commodity Exchange seeing its soy contract gain 24 yuan to 8,276 yuan, and palm oil rising by 62 yuan to reach 8,750 yuan. This broad-based strength in competing oils is lifting the overall risk appetite for palm oil. Adding to this constructive macro picture is the price of crude oil. Brent crude is holding steady around the $63 level, with WTI hovering near $59. These elevated crude prices maintain a positive energy market backdrop, which is always favorable for palm oil due to its role in the biodiesel sector. Crucially, the pricing dynamics remain advantageous. The narrowing of the CBOT soil BMD CPO spread, currently near $135 per metric ton, keeps Malaysian palm oil competitively priced. This sustained price competitiveness is vital for encouraging continued buying interest, especially as major importers begin their restocking efforts ahead of the Chinese New Year and the upcoming Ramadan season. The big caveat: stockpile pressure. Despite the current firmness, the market's upside remains measured as a significant domestic concern looms large, the anticipated increase in Malaysian inventory levels. The latest news and market surveys indicate that Malaysian palm oil stockpiles in November are expected to have surged, potentially reaching their highest level in over 6 years, perhaps exceeding 2.7 million tons. This supply overhang, driven by a sharper-than-expected slump in exports, is acting as a strong headwind. Market participants are positioning cautiously ahead of next week's official data release from the Malaysian Palm Oil Board, or MPOB. An inventory number exceeding the 2.6 million ton mark would undoubtedly be seen as bearish, capping any aggressive rally attempts. Furthermore, looking into the new year, the market is bracing for increased South American soy supply beginning in February and March. This expected surge from arrival oil could shift destination buying to a more need-based, hand-to-mouth pattern, thereby limiting palm oil's ability to sustain major upward moves. In summary, palm oil futures are holding a firmer tone today, supported by strong global vegetable oil cues and seasonal demand prospects. However, the anticipated high domestic stockpile and cautious positioning against increasing South American supply are ensuring that broader gains remain strictly contained. A significant move is anticipated in the palm oil market in the coming month. Will it be an upward trend or a decline? Contact us for advanced analysis. The number is available on the screen and in the description.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोशे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।